How does contempt of court enforce child support orders? Imagine a situation where a parent is supposed to pay child support every month but stops doing so. What happens next? How does the court make sure the parent follows the order? That's where contempt of court comes into play. It is a serious legal tool used to get people to obey court orders, especially when it comes to child support. Contempt of court is like a warning sign for someone ignoring a court ruling. It is considered a kind of semi-criminal charge, meaning it can lead to both fines and jail time. The goal is to make sure the parent who is supposed to pay child support actually does it. When someone disobeys a court order, the person who is owed support can ask the court to take action. The process begins with filing a motion, which is a formal request to the court. This motion usually includes an order to show cause and an affidavit for contempt. The non-paying parent must then appear in court and explain why they have not followed the order. The court then looks at the evidence to see if the parent willfully refused to pay or if they genuinely could not pay. To find someone in contempt, the court must prove that the parent had the ability to pay but chose not to. If the parent claims they cannot pay, they need to show proof of their financial situation. If the court finds that the parent had the means but chose not to pay, they can be held in contempt. The penalties for contempt can be quite strict. They include fines, community service, or even jail time. The severity depends on the situation and whether it is a first or repeat offense. For example, if a parent refuses to pay support for several months, the court might impose a larger fine or jail sentence. There is also a time limit for filing a contempt motion, which varies depending on where you live. Some places requiring the motion to be filed within 3 years of the missed payment. This helps keep cases from dragging on forever. Contempt of court is often used as a last resort after other enforcement methods, like wage garnishment or property liens, have failed. It acts as a strong reminder that court orders are serious and must be obeyed. While contempt is powerful, courts may also consider other options. For example, they might put the parent on probation or offer a payment plan. The main aim is to ensure the child gets the support they need while also considering the parent's circumstances. In summary, contempt of court enforces child support orders by holding non-compliant parents accountable through legal penalties. It's a way for courts to make sure that child support obligations are taken seriously and fulfilled.